Okay, here's another fun lesson. Today we're going to look at black and white images. Okay, how would we represent black and white images with binary? Okay, so to do this, let's think for a second. You're waiting for a package to arrive in about a month. Okay, you ordered it from Temu, taking a little while to get to us, right? So um, the delivery service has a tracking system which reads the location. How often would you want the location updated? Well, you probably think like every minute, but it's not going to be here for months or a month. So we don't need every minute. What would be good? Every day? Every hour? Okay. Well, explain why you chose what you chose. Okay. Go ahead and watch this video on code.org or in the slides. I'm not going to take the time, so you watch it and you'll see how code.org works. Next, you're going to log into code.org and go to Unit 1, Lesson 7, and try this widget. The instructions are right in that video. Okay, so go ahead and try levels 1 and 2. You're setting the image width and height with the number boxes here or the slider, and then go ahead and type in binary, your zeros and ones. 0 turns the square black, 1 turns it white, and see if you can recreate the image. Okay, while you're doing this, make sure you complete the activity guide, level 3 and 4. Go ahead and try to recreate that swan. How many bits is it taking, etc., etc. Okay, now you create something. Okay, think of or choose your favorite company logo and then decide how you're going to sample the logo. How many squares do you want to represent the logo? Do you want a lot of squares, which would give you a very good sample size? Or do you just want a few squares? And is that enough? Okay, if you make it and your friends don't recognize it, maybe you should increase the sample size. Okay, so I hope you paused the video and went through all the exercises, but this is just a fun way to introduce you to how we represent images, at least black and white images. So next lesson, we're going to look at color images, right? So in challenges A and B, you looked at sampling. When we made more frequent sampling, we got smaller squares, which helped us to get a better picture. But what were the pros and cons of sampling an image more frequently? Well, it took a lot longer to recreate the image, right? Because you had to do a lot more ones and zeros. So there's that. Okay, so if you're journaling, and I highly suggest that you journal and you write down some of your thoughts, um, write down your vocabulary words. You could do it in an analog journal or a digital journal, which I shared with you earlier in the class.